Whirlpool Ace has been a superhero in our portfolio, and consumers have consistently rewarded us for this innovative offering. As we all know, champions do not rest on laurels but raise the bar and change the game continuously. And now, it's time to change the game once again. As you all know, we at Whirlpool believe in great design and awesome performance. True to these ideals, the new Whirlpool Superb Atom is smart from the outside and powerful inside. The Whirlpool Superb Atom has been designed to solve 4 consumer problems. Scrubbing to get rid of excess dirt is a common practice in Indian households. It is a back-breaking activity. With Superb Atom, you do not have to bend and squat, but can use the washing machine top for scrubbing. None of the other offerings in the market provide this form of convenience. Washing machines cannot avoid water spillage, be it while in operations or sometimes due to rain. Superb Atom addresses this problem with an intelligently designed waterproof control panel. Whirlpool Superb Atom is industry's only waterproof control panel. Only Whirlpool Superb Atom passes the water bucket challenge. As you would all have noticed, homes in India are getting smaller and smaller. Should we not ensure our products are compact and fit into the modern homes? Whirlpool Superb Atom has a compactly designed control panel, ensuring minimal space utilization. There, however, is no compromise on space in washing zone. This is a smart design for modern compact homes. Power failures in India are an unavoidable reality. At such times, let us see what happens with other washing machines. The Superb Atom wash time is linked to wash plate. When washing stops during power cut, the timer also stops. Washing starts automatically when power supply resumes. So in all, the Superb Atom is smart from the outside because it has innovative scrub station, industry's only waterproof control panel, compact size, inbuilt memory. Looking inside the Superb Atom, it has a bigger wash tub, powerful motor, super soak to remove extra dirt, provides maximum dryness. In all, Whirlpool Superb Atom is smart from the outside and powerful from the inside.